Yo, what's up, boys? Welcome back to another brand new video. In this video, we're gonna be unboxing the Quatcast microphone for the PS5, bro. This is insane. I just got it for my birthday, so let's see how let's go for the unboxing, boys. Alright, let's take this tape. I can't. This is so hard with one hand. Alright. Okay. That's actually sick, though. Congratulations on joining the HyperX family. Oh my god. Instructions. Alright, boys, so this is the microphone. I literally just unboxed it because I have to use my both hands, and this thing is so bad for me to do this. So this is the HyperX Quatcast. I need to take this off, and yeah, I'm gonna play it. I'm gonna turn on the PlayStation, and I'm gonna see how it looks. Okay. Alright, we're gonna connect it here. Alright, I'm gonna put it behind just in case for like anything happens, because so it don't look that ugly. Wait, like I just plug it in, and let's turn the PS5 to see how it looks. Wait, first of all, I need to clean my room. This is so bad. Yo, boys, I want you to comment down below what is this for, because I don't really know what is this for, so I want you to literally tell me in the comments what is this for. So yeah, that's what I need to say. Alright, I unplugged it so I can wait for the low end to the PS5. So now we're gonna just like do this. Turn on. We're gonna leave the controller there. It's not turned on yet. The mouse and keyboard's gonna turn on any second. Yeah, as you can see, PS5. When I get into the home screen of the PS5, I'm gonna literally turn this thing on to see how it literally looks. And is that, for people that are wondering what is this, because if you didn't notice, it's the HyperX Quatcast S. Really cool. Alright, we're gonna just LV. Okay. Another thing. ID. Yeah. Alright, now we're gonna connect it. Wait, where's it? Alright. Let's see it, bro. Oh my god. Look at this, bro. Okay, so for people that don't know what it is, there's a mute button on the top of the thing. Just like tap it and turn off. I think this is the volume, if I don't remember wrong. Back. There's like a symbol so you can put the microphone in, like my headset. It's right there. And yeah, I hope y'all like the unboxing. And I'm gonna do some gameplay so I can do a sound test, okay? Alright, so I'll be right back. Alright, so this is a sound test of the microphone. I'm in a ranked game, so I'm gonna try to like I'm gonna try to double key a lot. I'm gonna try to double key because I don't know, I just like one. But I wanna make content for y'all guys, so yeah. I don't know how was this gonna sound. Probably I'm gonna hear it while I'm recording. I mean, not recording, like editing. So yeah, let's see, bro. And hope I don't get clapped. Hope I get a win. I hope. Probably not. What time is it? It's still 4. It's all good. Bro, what is that, bro? You have to be the sweetest, the biggest loser to be doing that kind of stuff. How do you even do that, bro? How? Because like literally, I grind my hardest, and it's just like my shots are not placing. Like my thing, it's not sweating. It's not literally placing. Like, what is that? my thing is not even placing, bro. I'm on platinum. Let's go. I don't know how long that.